In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an app integration on Zapier. Before we touch anything in Zapier, make sure your app has a publicly accessible API. That means endpoints are reachable over HTTPS, documented, and return consistent JSON. Have a test account and sample records ready so you can verify real responses. If your API requires authentication, confirm you know the exact header, query, or OAuth flow it uses. Now head to Zapier and log in. From the dashboard, click Create and choose Zap. This gives you a simple canvas to wire up and test while you build, so you can see data flowing end to end. Next, select your app and configure authentication. Zapier supports API Key, Basic, and OAuth 2.0. Pick the method your API uses, define where the token goes, usually an authorization header or query string, and include any token or refresh URLs if you're using OAuth. Add scopes as needed, and keep secrets in secure fields. A quick test here ensures Zapier can successfully connect before you proceed. With OAuth in place, set up your triggers. Triggers are the events in your app that kick off a zap, like a new record created or a status change. Decide whether each trigger should use polling or webhooks. Polling means Zapier calls an endpoint on a schedule, often with a since parameter to fetch only new or updated items. Webhooks are instant. Your app sends Zapier a payload when something happens, so they're ideal for real-time updates. Specify the API endpoint and fields to retrieve. Provide a unique ID and a timestamp so Zapier can deduplicate and order records correctly. Include a representative sample record so users can map fields confidently during setup. Clear, human-friendly labels go a long way here. Move on to actions. Actions let users create, find, or update items in your app. For each action, design the input form users will see, then map those inputs to your API request. Mark required fields, offer helpful defaults, and use dynamic dropdowns or search endpoints where possible. Validate inputs and format payloads exactly as your endpoint expects. Test thoroughly. In the platform UI, run live requests, inspect the payloads and responses, and handle errors gracefully with informative messages. If you're using the CLI, add local unit tests to catch edge cases, pagination, and rate limits. When everything works, publish your integration, give your triggers and actions clear names and descriptions, review field help text, and then click Publish. 2 quick tips as you wrap up: use sensible polling intervals to respect rate limits, and provide stable sample data so setup is smooth for users. You're done. Enjoy automating with your new Zapier integration.